What's up, guys? The 2020 release of PDM Professional introduced some awesome new capabilities, including the ability to use operators like and, or, and not in the quick search toolbar. But there's an undocumented trick that's going to make your search experience even better. Let's take a look. The quick search toolbar is one of my favorite enhancements for the 2020 release. It's easy access, along with its ability to utilize search operators, make it really convenient. What you might not realize, though, is that when you use operators, your search phrase is only being looked for discreetly inside of each custom property you've selected. Let me show you what I mean. All right, so we have about 5 components in this folder, and each of those components has a description, and it also has a custom property for the type, whether it's built or purchased. You'll also notice in the quick search dropdown that both of those custom properties have been selected as areas that I want to search. So let's say, for instance, I'm looking for a component that has the word chain in the description but is not purchased. So I would type in chain, not purchased, and execute the search. Now the results give me all 5 of the components back, including one that has a type of purchased. Now the reason this is happening is because by default, we're utilizing what's called a single value logic mode. Basically, what this mode is doing is this. Even though we've selected description and type as properties we want to search in, it's treating each of those custom properties as a bucket. It takes the search criteria we've typed in and looks through the bucket of description to see if it finds anything that matches our criteria. If it does, it gives you results and doesn't even bother to look across the bucket of type. So what's the trick to get it to look across both buckets? And the way that we go about doing this is by using a colon to start the search. So in my search dialog, I'm going to first type colon. Then I'll type in chain, not purchased, and hit enter. And here you can see now I'm getting the results that I would expect. I have components with the word chain in their description, and yet none of them are purchased. And by entering the colon first, it switches the search mode into what's called a multi-value logic mode. Now, as it stands, the default search method is the single value logic mode, not the multi-value logic mode. So the colon becomes important when searching across multiple properties. I hope this was helpful and makes your search more productive. If you think you'd benefit from more information on setting up the quick search toolbar, comment below. And if you feel like this earned a subscription and a like, they're always appreciated. But if not, no worries. I'm just excited to have you here. See you next time.